Every major city has a spine, a corridor that drives its momentum, a spine that connects the city's ecosystem. Central business districts, mixed-use commercial zones, entertainment hubs, and lifestyle destinations. In Dubai, and arguably across the UAE, that spine is Sheikh Zayed Road. You might not recognize it by name, but you definitely recognize it visually. When you picture Dubai, towering skyscrapers, iconic skylines, constant movement, what you're imagining is Sheikh Zayed Road. Which raises an important question. Why is Sheikh Zayed Road almost always associated with skyscrapers? Why don't we see many villa master plan communities here? The answer is scarcity. Some of Dubai's most prestigious and established villa communities sit along this very corridor. Emirates Hills, Jumeirah Islands, Jumeirah One, Palm Jumeirah, and now the upcoming Palm Jabal Ali. These locations share two defining traits. First, they sit along Sheikh Zayed Road or are directly connected to it. Second, and more importantly, they represent prestige driven by land scarcity. Prestige that comes from owning an asset in a location that cannot be replaced. Prestige of being part of an ecosystem that is structurally limited. And prestige of holding land along a corridor that didn't just witness Dubai's rise, it actively enabled it. Now, yes, Dubai is expanding rapidly towards the south, and that expansion is real, strategic, and important. But from a risk management perspective, a smarter approach is often to own in the south while remaining anchored to Sheikh Zayed Road. It allows participation in future growth while protecting downside, because infrastructure, connectivity, and long-term relevance are already established here. What I'm sharing today is not a project built on assumptions. It's based on a proven development model, executed successfully by the same developer, but this time introduced along a far more strategic corridor. If you have driven from Abu Dhabi towards Dubai recently, you know what the landscape looks like today. Open land, logistics zones, free zones, resorts, amusement parks, and isolated developments. Now imagine that same drive a few years from now with a fully formed green, water-integrated villa community, defining the visual and lifestyle experience along Sheikh Zayed Road. For many people in Dubai, that image will feel familiar because they've seen the story before. In fact, the reference community behind this concept has been such a landmark that nearby developments often associate themselves with it to borrow credibility and value. The reference project is Al Barari. And the project we are discussing today is Lunaya by Zaha. This is where it becomes interesting. When land becomes scarce, most developers respond by building higher, denser, and more intense environments. What rarely happens is the opposite. Lunaya exists because the developer chose restraint over intensity. Conceptually, Lunaya is not designed as a typical villa community. It's designed as a living system, where nature functions as infrastructure, not surface-level landscaping. Over 65% of the master plan is dedicated to green space, structured through shaded trails, green corridors, and calm streets that shape how residents move and live on a daily basis. Water plays a similar role, not as a visual feature, but as a usable lifestyle anchor. Lunaya is centered around a 900,000 square foot swimmable lagoon. Not ornamental water, not a backdrop, but a daily use amenity for swimming, paddling, walking, and community life. The combination of heavy greenery, usable water, and low-density villa at scale remains exceptionally rare in Dubai. What adds credibility here is delivery. Lunaya doesn't rely purely on conceptual renders, The developer has already executed this model successfully elsewhere. Mature greenery, lifestyle programming, and sense of calm are drawn from proven, delivered communities, not future promises. From a product standpoint, this is not volume housing. The collection is deliberately curated, ranging from 4-bedroom family homes to larger statement villas designed for privacy, multi-generational living, and long-term ownership. 4-bedroom townhouses range from 2,966 to 3,814 square feet, with plot sizes reaching up to 2,900 square feet. The master plan also offers larger 5-bedroom villas positioned along the central lagoon or the golf course, ranging between 5,500 and 7,180 square feet on plots of up to 8,231 square feet. Homes are delivered with private elevators, developer-designed landscaping, and private pools where plot sizes allow, reinforcing the end-user focus. Pricing starts from 4.9 million dirhams, translating to roughly around 1,750 AED per square foot, which clearly defines the target buyer profile. This is not built for short-term yield chasing. It's designed for families upgrading into a long-term home and high-net-worth buyers seeking privacy, design quality, and a calmer lifestyle without disconnecting from the city. Lifestyle amenities are treated as infrastructure here, not add-ons. Residents have access to walking and cycling trails, wellness and fitness spaces, lagoon-side recreation, children's play areas, community retail, curated dining, paddle and sports facilities, and everyday conveniences integrated within the master plan. This is also where scarcity needs to be framed correctly. As Dubai grows, what becomes scarce isn't property, it's choice. The choice to live in greenery you can actually use, water that isn't just visuals, and a community designed around calm rather than congestion. Lunaya aligns closely with the direction Dubai itself is taking, towards better livability, wellness-focused planning, and communities that support long-term residency. From a financial perspective, the structure is equally compelling. The developer has offered a 40-60 payment plan, which is extremely rare for a villa and townhouse products within master plan communities in Dubai today. This signals confidence in delivery and significantly reduces capital lock-in risk during construction. From a living perspective, demand here is likely to be strong upon completion. From an investment perspective, the entry pricing and payment structure leave room for upside. I have assessed the numbers through multiple lenses and the fundamentals remain sound. If you would like to understand this project in more detail, evaluate whether it fits your objectives or explore availability, feel free to reach out to me on the number on the screen. This is Hina Patel, Senior Property Consultant at Experience Realty, signing off.